Hello and welcome back to the Kyocera Accessory Corner. Today we're going to do the unpacking of the MP-A40 Seiko printer and show you what comes in the kit. You'll get a sample roll of paper. You'll get spacer adapters that allow you to use a 3-inch roll of paper in a 4-inch printer. You'll get a battery. And then a device. Okay, now that we got to the printer box, we're going to open up the printer box. We have a quick start guide. We have a belt clip so that you can wear this on your hip. You have more spacers for adapting paper. And you have the device itself. Now that you have the printer out of the box, I'm going to show you how to install the belt clip, the battery, and install paper. The first thing we're going to do is install the belt clip. You'll flip the device over, take the belt clip in this ball, and it'll fit into the front. You can see there how it goes into the well. You're then going to take the battery, snap it into place, which holds in the belt clip. Okay? And then we're going to flip it back over, press the lever down, which opens up what I call the hood. Install paper with a leading edge or label material. Press the hood down and it's ready to go. Now the one thing to remember is that the roll of paper does not allow you to shut the lid or the hood. Do not use that roll of paper. The lid or the hood has to be completely closed.